Using Dashboard Wizards. To create a dashboard, go to Software Administration, User Interfaces, Dashboard Editor. Click File and select New. Name the new dashboard and click OK. Click Add Page. Name the new page and click OK. You can use the Properties bar on the right to make any configuration you like. Just select a component and the available properties will appear. Available dashboard components will match the available process units in your system. In this example, we are going to use the raw material grader components. You can find them under Grading in the Toolbox menu tree. Double-click the Simple Grading Billboard wizard. If needed, you can add decorations like pictures and labels. Go to Base Components, select what you need, and use the Properties window to configure the components. You can select any component to configure its behavior, design, layout, and more. Do not forget to save your new dashboard. You can display your dashboard anywhere in your menu tree, on the IPC screen or on a special billboard screen. In this case, you will add your dashboard to a special folder in your menu tree. To configure the dashboard's location, go to Software Administration, User Interfaces, User Interfaces. Right-click the WinUI user interface and select New Folder. Name the new folder. Right-click the new folder and select New Node. Name the new node. For the node assembly, select marel.mp5.base.ui, tap D-A-S-H into the form field and select the Dashboard Viewer CE form. If the Select From Configuration window appears, click New Configuration. Click Configure, select your new dashboard in the Startup Board ID field and click OK. You might need to configure the access level in application accordingly. In this case, application should be grading. Click Save and Activate to update your new menu tree.